We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.